Tab, nag-off ko mga palangkin. Okay. Just for one day. Kaya mo nga no, pwede matulog sa care home. Okay, walay heater, napalong. For the reason that sa snowstorm. Tungod sa snowstorm. Sa Tagalog ko eh. Dahil sa snowstorm. Nag-snowstorm. Uy, grabe katog ng freezing. It's 13 degrees. Just imagine. Naami sa Fred Meyer, Vancouver. Right now. Fred Meyer, Vancouver. Ay, nalay palitong. Nalay lahat.
Grab what you gonna get.
Huh? Sorry?
Grab what you gonna get.
Go and grab some. Basta yung mga flowers. Ready for, something like happy birthday. Sabi na ko sa Valentine's na. Kay kuan. Mga palangging ang nahitabo. Nagkuan siya, what you call this, nag-snowstorm ba niya? Kulay power, namoy naputol nga kahoy unya. Nakuan dito. Nakuha jud ko kay gani ka video dito. Kung sa'y nahitabo kay murabag, but sobrang stress. Grabe ka stress niya anak kung boss nga di juga katulog dito ati kay puti yung tugnawa as in. So ni-off lang ko one day magbalik ko inig ka Tuesday balik ko and here looking for something, buying something. Are you gonna buy? For we have I brought some yeah, breakfast. Eggs. Yeah. Okay, let's grab. We need a card.
You got bananas. 6 bananas gonna go bad if you don't get them.
Oh, I can use that. For like what kind of banana? It's a plantain. No, yeah, we could do some plantain. The one that okay.
Banana plantain.
Because there's one said Saba.
Are you blaming me right now?
No, I'm not.
Really?
Of course not.
What kind of banana? I
Yes,
would have said
because
plantain.
no, because we call that still. Yeah, I know. Here we say. Because we have Saba, we have. Okay.
Oh, you're tired.
I can use.
You probably need to sleep.
Yeah, I
Need a
know.
nap.
Yeah, I'm tired. I'm tired. Actually.
You just got that little thing. What else? What else gonna be?
Yeah, here mga palangga, we're going to buy something. So I think I should have to end this for now because nakuan ko murag na confused or na ma-distract mo gud sige ko kuan. What are you looking for? You said that you're gonna for breakfast like.
No, I mean to eat tonight. That's not gonna
No,
be enough.
we have.
We got that sandwich. We ain't got nothing else.
No, I told you my boss gave us corned beef.
Cooked.
I'm gonna cook it. It's quick and
spam.
easy.
I still gonna want something to go with that. It's not gonna fool me. I eat all day.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna love that. Oh my goodness.
I still need a side. You need macaroni.
It's good with rice. No, di siya makaunom
I eat
rice.
rice all the time from you. No.
Okay, di siya.
I want something different.
Okay. Di siya gusto rice.
Thanks, but no thanks.
Okay. Okay, get some mac and cheese. That's what you like.
I eat so much rice.
So grab
I
some.
dream rice
No,
now.
I think we need to grab some bread too.
I just told you got a whole.
Yeah, okay. Sorry. Because I was
And you got
busy
the
with talking like.
2 bagels left. Muffins. And yogurt.
Okay.
I see
So,
what you're doing.
I'll do some interview. No, it's fine. I'm
I
very
don't want
blunt.
to see us. No, you don't need to.
Ah, no, no, no. Of course, I know. I will not. I'll not just. Yes. Bye na ko na. Okay, I have to say bye-bye na lang. Ha, mga palangga.
You gotta get a free throw.
Murag nagwala ko ron kay we don't have the net. Oh my gosh, it's so very like I I had my premiere for 2 days, like January 13 and 14, and I'm very sorry mga palangga that I wasn't there. It's because on the 13 the internet, like, it's really difficult for me to connect, and then I had the data. It's very fluctuating, it's on and off, and then my boss was there and tonight, and oh my gosh, wala ko naulaw ko ninyo, but I'm so grateful for all of the YT friends that visited, and bloggers and not bloggers that were there to witness that premiere of mine. And you know what, I had plenty of videos, that very old videos, that's old one that was long time ago, and because I can't do live, so what I did is check all my videos, mga old videos na ko. Oh, I have this. I will just do this as premiere. So, you know. So, that's it. Mga pasensya na mga palangga. Nice ang ilang ko Andre Fred Meyer sa Vancouver. We're in Vancouver, Washington State. Ambot lang, ano ni siya nga, arin din siya diri, ganahan mo palit diri. Nga naaman tayo Portland. But, napulaan na siguro. Okay. You need help? What about eggs? Ice cream?
You want to get it?
Because your favorite ice cream?
Where's it at? It's
Here.
on 4. Go ahead and hit 4.
Okay. Bye mga palangga. Love you all. Don't forget, please, subscribe to our channel, Rivers Vlog USA. And I have the other one, the Prosperity Mix Vlog. Bye. Love you.